ngif. So ngif checks the condition whether it's true or false. So the ngif runs based upon true or false. Okay. So uh, so this is the syntax. So I have taken div tag as an example, and inside div tag, not only div tag, we can take any tags. I have taken another div tag as a syntax to show you. So I have taken the div tag. So in that we have defined the ng if. So inside the ng if, so we have given we need to give the condition. Okay, condition in the sense you know, right? So we will give the conditions. If the condition satisfies, then the content or context of the div will get visible to us. Okay. So for example, if condition satisfies and it gets true, then the div context or content will get appear. If the condition gets false, then it won't show. Okay, I mean that this div content will not show you. So this is the thing, simple thing. Like if it is true, it will show. If it is false, then it won't show the content. Okay, so from where opening up to till where you closing. Okay, so let's take some content or context or something else, and let's apply ng if there. Okay, so here we are taking one sample widget. In that we are taking one div tag. In that, let's define ng if, and here I am providing this is a content. Okay, so this is a content. Very one. Okay, so here I have defined ng if in div tag, and we have provided some message here. Okay, so now let's define data dot. So in server script, let's define data dot value. So let's take val is equal to true. Okay, so and we will define data dot val here. Okay, let's save, and let's see the output. So here you can see we got hi everyone. So this is a content, so it's visible because it's getting true. Okay, so that's the reason if ng if gets true, the content will get visible. So for example, if it is false, 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 and let's see whether it will show or not. Yeah, you can see it's not visible now. So for better understanding, I will add one div. So without any directives. Okay, so this is ng if functionality. Okay, so we have two divs. So one is plain, and another one which we added ng if. Okay, so let's save now. Yeah, see the static one, which we doesn't use any conditions here, so it's showing. And here you can see the ng if, so which false getting here. So right, so that's why it's not showing here. So if you put true, if it goes true, then if ng if is equal to true, then the content will appear here. And let's see one button tag, for example. So here I'm giving ng if. Okay, so okay, before ng if, let me provide this is a button button. Okay, I have created one button without any conditions, anything. I have created one plain button. Okay, so here you can see. So now I am providing ng if here. Okay, so let's take ng if, and let's provide one another value here in a server script. Let's provide okay, so I am giving true. Okay, and I am calling this data dot button here. Okay, inside the ngif means this value gets called here. Okay, so let's save this and let's run. So now the button is visible because ng if is true. Okay, so let's take ng button as false and let's see whether it's showing or not. Now the button got hided, means it's not showing, means this ng if is false. So this is the functionality of ng if. Okay, yeah, thank you.